Which GPS tracker for your car is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Landair C54 GPS Tracker. Let's kick things off with the Landair C54 GPS Tracker. This one caught my attention because it's made in the USA and offers global tracking for just $18.96. If you want real-time location tracking and peace of mind about your vehicle's safety, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this tracker stands out. It offers real-time tracking with updates every 3 seconds, which is crucial if you need to know where your vehicle is at any moment. The geofencing feature allows you to set boundaries and receive alerts if your vehicle crosses them. Plus, it's motion-activated, meaning it conserves battery life when your vehicle is stationary. With over 5,000 units sold in the past month and a lifetime warranty, it's clear this product has a solid reputation. Now, some users have mentioned that the subscription required for tracking can be a deal breaker. Monthly plans start at $19.95, which can add up over time. But here's the thing, if you're serious about tracking your vehicle, that monthly fee is a small price to pay for the security it provides. This is perfect for you if you want reliable real-time tracking and don't mind a subscription. Skip this one if you prefer a no-strings-attached option. Overall, for the price, it's a solid investment in your vehicle's safety. Now, if that subscription cost worried you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Votlik GPS Tracker. Next up is the Votlik GPS Tracker, which I found intriguing because it works with Apple's Find My network and doesn't require a subscription. Priced at $41.84, it feels like a steal for those who want tracking without ongoing fees. If you want something hassle-free, this is worth checking out. What's cool about this tracker is its ease of use. You simply attach it to your car, and it connects to your iPhone through the Find My app. No SIM card or data plan needed. It even has a built-in alarm you can trigger to help locate your vehicle or belongings. Plus, with its magnetic case, you can easily hide it away for discreet tracking. However, some users reported that the Bluetooth range can be limiting, which might frustrate you if you're looking for something that works over long distances. But here's the upside. For day-to-day use and local tracking, that Bluetooth connection is super reliable and easy to manage. This GPS tracker is perfect for iPhone users who want a no-fee option. Skip it if you're not an iOS user since it doesn't work with Android. At this price point, it delivers great value without the strings. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Iceheart GPS Tracker. The Iceheart GPS Tracker is next, and I was drawn to it because it also has no monthly fees. It costs $36.78 and is designed for both Android and iOS users, which opens it up to a wider audience. If you want a tracker that works seamlessly across devices, this one is worth a look. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to conceal, which is excellent for anti-theft purposes. Plus, it offers alerts and notifications, so you can stay informed about your vehicle's whereabouts without any extra charges. One drawback I found was some users' complaints about the battery life not being as long as expected. However, it can last up to a year, which is pretty decent for a tracker of this size. Just keep an eye on it and you should be fine. This device is perfect for budget-conscious users who need reliable tracking without extra costs. Skip it if you're looking for more advanced features, but for its price, it's a great option. Now, if you want something even more compact, the next product is definitely worth your attention. Product number 4, Generic Mini GPS Tracker. Next, we have the Generic Mini GPS Tracker, which is priced at $27.89. What caught my eye was its small size and no subscription model. If you're looking for something discreet and easy to use, this is a solid choice. This GPS tracker offers real-time tracking and location history through the Find My app. It's designed to be portable, so you can attach it to almost anything: your keys, your dog, or even your car. The fact that it requires no monthly fees makes it appealing for those who want to avoid ongoing costs. It's also rechargeable, which is a bonus. However, some users did mention that it's only compatible with iOS, which can be frustrating for Android users. But here's the upside. If you're an iPhone user, you'll appreciate the simplicity and lack of hidden costs. This tracker is perfect for anyone who values portability and ease of use, especially if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. Skip it if you're using an Android device, but it's a great pick for its price. Now, if you're looking for something even tougher, the last product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, PlanetBod GPS Tracker. Finally, let's talk about the PlanetBod GPS Tracker. Priced at $50.61, it brings a lot to the table, especially with its rugged design and no monthly fees. If you need something that can handle the elements, this is worth considering. This tracker integrates with the Apple Find My network, allowing you to track your vehicle globally without any additional costs. Plus, its battery lasts up to a year, which is excellent for long-term use. But one issue some have raised is that its size is a bit bulkier than other options, which could be a concern if you need something super discreet. However, the durability and reliability it offers can outweigh this for many users. This tracker is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone needing a rugged solution. Skip it if you want something ultra-compact, but for its price and features, it's a great investment in security. So to wrap it up, we've covered a range of GPS trackers, from subscription-based options like the Land Air C to budget-friendly choices like the generic Mini. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so consider what fits best for you. In summary, we explored 5 GPS trackers for cars that cater to various needs and budgets. The Land Air C54 offers reliable tracking with a subscription, while the Votlik provides no monthly fees for iOS users. iStar gives you a cost-effective option across platforms, and the generic Mini is perfect for portability. Finally, the PlanetBod is rugged for outdoor use. No matter your choice, investing in a GPS tracker can give you peace of mind about your vehicle's security.